Capturing motion is the #1 objective when filming, and I'm going to teach you how to do that right now.
We are control. You will be assimilated, or you will be eliminated.
Not while I'm still in town. The only difference between video and photography is motion. This one thing is why video cameras were created, to capture motion, also known as movement. The two types of motion to capture are natural motion and artificial motion. Natural motion is exactly that. It's motion naturally captured when filming. Many beginner-level filmmakers really don't understand the art form of capturing motion, and you end up with a lot of handheld jerky movements which are simply not necessary, and it can actually take away from the natural motion trying to be captured within the scene. Stick to the basics. Set the camera up on a tripod. Frame up your scene and allow the camera to do its job. Let it capture the natural motion within the scene. Artificial motion is created when the camera is being moved. The greatest time you'll want to capture artificial motion is when there's not a lot of natural motion going on within the scene. If there's not much going on within the scene movement-wise, throw in a camera movement so you can capture some sort of motion within the scene. This can be as simple as a tilt, a pan, or a zoom. And they all can be captured on a tripod so you have continuous, steady, smooth motion. Well, there you have it. Natural motion versus artificial motion. Try to capture them both within your video projects, and I look forward to seeing your results. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for the next James Gang tutorial.
Please move on to the following assimilation tutorial. Begin now.